Hello investors, welcome to Chart Shastra where investing is made simple with the help of charts. Today is day 75 of our 100-day price action challenge and we have reached 3/4 of our milestone. I would like to thank each and every one of you for making this amazing journey for me. I hope that you are getting some value out of these videos. Now let's start into our daily analysis. Coming to the market, today the market has ended in the red and we have ended this week because tomorrow is Holi and we have a market holiday. So there are only 4 sessions in this week. I know that for the last few sessions our portfolios have been bleeding. Let me tell you why this is happening. Despite Nifty is hanging there, it is just consolidating here, right? Now I am opening Nifty Microcap. This is where most of our portfolios would be hanging. Microcap has bounced a lot, but from that point onwards, it has corrected another 5%, 5.5% almost. But look at Nifty here. Even Nifty has also bounced up 3%, but it didn't correct much. It has been staying consolidating over there itself. That's the main reason since our portfolios have been bleeding a lot. Now look at Nifty Junior. It is also consolidating. This is Nifty 100, which summarizes the entire large cap universe. Large cap stocks have been consolidating. Let's hope that it doesn't form any new low as of now. But coming to mid caps, you can see they are again sliding down. The same thing happening on the small cap, the same thing repeating on the micro cap index. That's why we are seeing a lot of volatility in our portfolio despite Nifty staying there and flat. Now let's come to Nifty 500, which summarizes the market. It is also consolidating. Why? Because almost majority of the percentage in Nifty 500 is Nifty large cap itself. Hence, we are seeing a lot of consolidation here. Now let's look at gold. In fact, gold has made a very good move yesterday after our video and it has broken out of this range. So gold is looking very strong now. Many people thought that gold is becoming weaker and it's time to end the gold rally, but looks like it isn't, at least on the charts. And even the silver is also booming higher and higher each day. That these two metals are doing very well in such market conditions. Coming to the bank Nifty, you can see that it is going sideways, nothing much interesting happening both on private banks as well as PSU banks. IT stocks are bleeding. You can clearly see here, right? In fact, just in this week itself, IT index was down almost 5%. That's how IT stocks are looking now. Auto is going flat again. The last 2 day gains were completely taken back by today's single day fall. Even Realty, I have already mentioned that never get trapped into the single day rally, and within 2 sessions, the entire gains were given back by the Realty index. Pharma is trying to form a bottom here. See, that's the new development. It's acting very good. That's very interesting, at least on the sectoral charts. Infra is also trying to form a bottom, consolidating as of now. FMCG is also looking very constructive. I mean, it is forming a consolidation. Right now, we never ever want a V-shaped recoveries. We always want sideways consolidation. Only then the next move would be sustainable. Coming to telecom, it is acting very volatile again. Even healthcare is acting consolidating, so that's a good sign. And media, as usual, one of the very weak name. It is high, trying to go for this low. Now let's come to our Reliance chart, our daily 100 analysis. I'm moving this chart so that you would get a better view, and I'm taking into 1 year time frame. Let's see how each chart is doing now. You can see the volume bar over right here. Reliance has just a shakeout here and it tried to move up. So as of now, Reliance is in a good position. Hence, we are seeing a lot of consolidation happening on the Nifty. Now coming to TCS, look at here. IT stocks are very weak. From this point onwards, TCS has corrected hugely and just recovered a little bit, again started its correction now. HDFC Bank, this is one of the major weight in Nifty. This is where Nifty is consolidating. HDFC Bank is holding very strong as of now. Bharti Airtel, yesterday there was some Starlink news. There is a little bit of volatility happening in Bharti Airtel. It needs to break above this 1743 level. Till then, I would be just watching it for a very long time. ICICI is forming this beautiful trend line, taking some support here. Let's wait and see how it turns out to be. Look at Infosys. That's massive correction, right? Somewhere around this point, we have highlighted that Infosys is looking very weak. But right now, look at here. It is in a very strong downtrend, and the volumes are also very high. State Bank of India doing nothing, almost consolidating over there itself. Hindustan Unilever heading down. That's not at all looking good for FMCG space. This used to be a market leader in FMCG space, but right now it is acting very weak. Bajaj Finance, look at it. How strong. You can see a very contrast difference between Hindustan Unilever, which was around here, whereas Bajaj Finance almost trading at its lifetime high. Very, very, very strong chart. Let it break above this 8600 level. That would be wonderful opportunity. ITC trying to recover. Good attempt. Let's wait and see. LIC still in a long, long, long downtrend. You can see here, right? HCL Tech slowly sliding down. Very weak IT. L&T hanging at its support zone, not at all looking good. Maruti slowly going down. Auto stocks are gone. I think Maruti made a huge move here, but again, the entire move was gone right now. Kotak Mahindra Bank acting very good, very well. See, banks, private banks, and few NBFC spaces are where smart money is putting money into. Sun Pharma, see, we have already noticed that Pharma Index is making a consolidation, right? That is clearly getting reflected in Sun Pharma stock here. It is acting good as of now, although it needs to close above this line, which is resistance. Let's wait and see how it goes. Mahindra and Mahindra hanging at support zones. Ultratech Cement not doing very well. Looks like it is about to form a new low here. If it breaks below this range, another new low might be somewhere around this 9300 would be also be possible. Axis Bank not looking that great here. NTPC going sideways as of now. It is about to form a bottom. It needs to close above this 340 level. Only then I can at least say that okay, the bottom has formed. Till then, wait for some time. I like how this mini consolidation is forming as of now. Wipro very weak chart. Strong selling happening on this. Bajaj Finserv not as good as Bajaj Finance, but it is decent chart, not correcting much in the recent market time. ONGC going down, not looking very good. Titan looking very, very weak, almost at 1 year low. Even Adani Enterprises, all Adani stocks are again getting rejected at this trend line or 50-day moving average, not at all looking well as of now. Tata Motors, I know many people are stuck here, but what can we do as of now? We can't do anything. Do not initiate any long positions in Tata Motors as of now. Power grid trying to form a bottom here. Let's wait and see how it goes. Bajaj Auto looking very weak. See the magnitude of fall. Very, very, very huge fall. JSW Steel now got rejected at this trend line. It needs to consolidate here. Metals are acting very, very, very strong as of now. So that's a good thing to have few stocks which are reaching their 52-week highs. Adani Ports very weak, needs to close above this. DMART trying to form a double bottom here. I have already mentioned that it needs to close above this 4000 level. Today it was a very strong volume and a strong day, but again I would only like to see it needs to close above this 4000 level, then above this gap. Only then I am just extending this gap so that it would be easy in the future. Coal India not looking very well as of now. Hindustan Aeronautical tightly consolidating around this zone. Let's wait for few more sessions. Zomato very weak, almost breaking this crucial 200 zone. 200 would be the most psychological support. I can just draw this line and extend it all the way to here. If Zomato breaks this level, that would be a little bit worrisome for Zomato investors. Nestle still hanging below this zone, not looking good. Asian Paints going sideways, nothing interesting. Adani Power still stuck at this trend line, waiting for its time. Bharat Electronics successfully stayed above the support zone. Let's wait for a few more sessions. Trend not looking good, very weak. Siemens still in a downtrend. See, this was where it got rejected again at 20 EMA. Now heading down. Tata still is acting wonderfully well. All the metal stocks are doing very well. Let's observe it for a few more sessions. Even Indigo is also acting very well. See, it has taken support at this trend line, now consolidating a little bit. That's a good thing. See, these are the stocks which usually move in the next bull run when they are not falling in such bear markets. IOC not looking that great, needs to close above this line 130. DLF very weak, stay away from realty names. Grasim also not looking good. Across mid cap and small cap, something is happening in the cement names. A lot of huge volumes are occurring mostly on the lower side. Varun Beverages very bad. Look at the selling happened here. Not at all looking good. IRFC again hitting down. That's a bit trouble for IRFC investors. Vedanta holding, it is taking its time. That's very good. Needs to close above this 450 psychological figure. Then we can think of something. Tech Mahindra has corrected a lot, now taking little bit rest here. Divi's Laboratory still in the range bound. SBI Life slowly moving to its long-term support. If it breaches this 1368, that would be little bit trouble. LTIM very strong downtrend. Geo Finance trying to move up, taking its time, trying to form a bottom here. Let's wait for a few more sessions. Hindalco now had a healthy correction. It has been moving up from a very long time, right? Now it has taken a little bit of healthy correction. Pidilite not looking good. Eicher Motors very choppy chart. HDFC Life again consolidating, needs to close above that line or needs to breach below this support zone. Adani Green not looking good. Bajaj Holding boring. Power Finance going down. PFC. LODHA very weak name. Realty space. Cipla needs to close above this trend line, only then we can change the stance. Ambuja Cements very weak heading down. Britannia stuck at the bottom, stuck, it's literally dead. Cholamandalam, that's interesting. Another again NBFC name, you know what's happening on the NBFC space. ABB going very weak. Tata Power trying to form a consolidation here. At least looks like it is trying to form a consolidation here, and trying to form a bottom two here. So let us give it some more time. Let it take some more time. TVS Motor also trying to consolidate here. It should not break this 2176 or 2180 level. Godrej Consumer going sideways. Shriram Finance, I know I have set the bar higher for Shriram Finance by drawing this line. Now it needs to consolidate here and break above this line. That would be fantastic to watch. BPCL not yet great. Punjab National Bank very weak. Baroda very weak. Gale very weak. Torrent Pharma sideways, it stuck at the support. Sri Cement again almost consolidating, doing nothing here. REC just like PFC, nothing important happening here. Tata Consumer very choppy name, very bad chart. United Spirits now trying to move up, but again this would be the resistance. 1380 is the level I would be watching for. Havels very weak, got rejected again here. See, it's going down. Info Edge weakest IT name as of now. It has broken down and all its subsidiaries like Policy Bazaar, Zomato, not at all doing well. Dr. Reddy is heading down, Dabur going sideways, nothing important happening, Apollo going sideways. Zaido's Life not even picking up, but looks like at least it is consolidating here. Union Bank getting tighter and tighter. I'm little bit scared if it is getting tighter. If it is on the upside, that's good. But if it breaks below this 107, 108 level, that would be massive selling. Motherson not looking good. Heading down. Even Zindal still not. It needs to respect this level. Lombard, very weak chart. I prove very weak chart. See, life insurance are losing it. The volume today is almost very low. People are not even touching them, I guess. JSW Energy trying to form a bottom here. It is consolidating. That's a good sign. Indus India. I don't know what to talk about this. See, look at this chart. Almost from 1500 now we are at 670 level. Yet people have some hope that this stock would come back again to 1500. Adani Energy looking little bit decent than all the Adani charts as of now. Adani Energy is the first one probably trying to recover. Bosch not looking good. Canara Bank still heading down. See the slope here. Very strong downtrend. HEROMOTOCO another massive fall. 2.25% again. Very weak. NHPC still got rejected at this trend line. Let's wait. Give it some more time. Bharat Electronics again, see, just like Canara Bank, heading down very rapidly. Adani Total Gas not looking good. IRCTC getting tighter and tighter, but again, whenever these stocks get tighter, I'm little bit scared. Now we are back to Reliance. I hope that you are enjoying this analysis. Again, the market condition as of now, just to summarize, large caps are consolidating, whereas mid caps, small caps, and micro caps are yet to consolidate. So till then, have a great weekend. Thanks a lot for watching.